Hi, KMS. This week, we're going to focus on robotics. So this is our last 5-day school week. Can you believe it? So starting on May 17th, we'll be doing VR VEX. So we can talk about things that are automated and use coding to make things move. So this is really neat. You'll be able to save your projects right on the site. We'll update your portfolio with robotics page, and in class we'll end up coding some robots in class, which is really nice. So the VR VEX page, let me just show you what your portfolio will end up looking like. On Monday, we'll end up doing the castle crasher. So your goal is to get used to driving your robot. Your robot has motors on it. So this is a robot that we'll have at school. This is a Lego Mindstorms robot. In high school, you'll be using the VEX robots. So these robots have motors on them, and you can control, basically, if you are going forward, you have both sides of the motors running, or if you're turning, you only have one. You can also turn like pivot turns. You can have one motor going forwards and one motor going backwards. So that's an even different way to turn, so we'll explore that on Monday. On Tuesday, you'll get your robot to carry a pen, and we'll talk about using loops to make your program efficient. So first we'll start driving in a square. So if you know how to drive straight and make a 90-degree turn, you can repeat that 4 times. Guess what? Math. So we'll talk about degrees, degrees in a circle, and we'll figure out how we can make your robot drive in different polygons. So we'll alter the amount of sides we do and the angle we do and draw different sided shapes, which is pretty nice. Then on Wednesday, we'll use some sensors. Your robot will be able to solve any maze. This dynamic maze will change, so these walls are 3D, and you'll have to make your robot navigate them. Now the walls will change each time, so by using a coded program where you have an if-else, you can have a sensor basically tell if there's a wall in front of it or not, and either turn right or left. We'll also talk in class, we'll go back to CAD a little bit, and hopefully you can see this. And in the corner, you can see this is a robot that I built from scratch. So we'll talk about how we designed that in CAD and show you some videos of it actually working. And hopefully you saw in the back here, I tried to show you something that's automated at my house. This is my gecko cage. So while I was just talking, the lights turn off right at 3 o'clock. So I was hoping you can catch that in action. That way my little fella here, he gets the right amount of UV light. So then every day his lights will turn on at a certain time. So by automating things, you can make technology kind of work for you. In class, we'll also show you robots that look like this. So we'll have robots that can make sounds or robots that can drive around the classroom. So hopefully that will inspire you to work for my all-time favorite group of robot scientists over at Boston Dynamics and the Big Dog robots. So we'll show you some new robots and gadgets that were at the Consumer Electronics Show, along with Boston Dynamics, their robots. So I'm really looking forward to this week, guys. So every day we'll be doing some more programming in VEX. So please join us for our Google Meets daily, and we'll do different exercises then. All right. Thanks, GameS.